This is 1-5D. Draw and shade a figure that represents 1/3. How can this figure be represented with a number? Okay, so over here on my paper, I'm going to put D, and I'm going to draw a figure and shade a figure that represents 1/3. And just for fun, this time I'm going to do a circle, and I'll split that into 3. That's kind of a bad drawing, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to shade 1/3. All right. And just so everybody knows that it's 1/3, I'm going to label it 1/3. All right. How can this figure be represented with a number? Well, I actually just did it right now because I wrote 1/3. And another way I could represent it with a number is to convert it to a decimal. So that's also equal to 33.33%. So that's what it is when you're talking about a decimal. Okay, so that's D. And now I'll go ahead and do E. Describe what the diagram at right represents using words and numbers. Well, let's see. First of all, let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is divided into tenths. So if I were going to write this in words, I would say this diagram represents uh, 1/10. All right, so that is in words. And then if I wanted to use numbers, I would say 1/10. And if I wanted to do that as a percent, I would say that is equal to 10%.